Who's this little munchkin? Who's this little munchkin? Patience. Let's go see the other babies.
Yeah.
What's this? What's this, baby? Is this Esther? Who's this? Is this Esther?
No, me.
No, I mean her.
Not Esther.
And that's your sister.
Yeah, this is Esther, my sister. You move around all the time.
And how old are you, Patience?
3.
3 already?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. And who's this?
Ryan.
What's this?
Ryan.
Oh, Ryan. That's my baby.
Yeah. Ryan, your baby. Whoa. My friend goes to play.
Where's the light in here? Right here?
Right here.
Oh, wow. Now it's bright in here.
I am going to swim.
Esther. Esther. Look at this cutie. Look at this cutie with his playing with his cousins. And